Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. All signs. So, yeah. Anyway, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Again, before tayo mag-start. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin na FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. So again, sa mga ayaw makinig, you can skip the video doon na sa reading mismo. Okay? So there. So yung ating mga charms and yung ating items. So meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron tayong ring. Ring natin is adjustable, by the way. So ring, bracelets, and necklace. Okay, so necklace natin is ganyan. Okay, so this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, and meron siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Unisex. Okay, again. So, yung atin namang dalawang bracelet. So, meron tayong adjustable and meron tayong garterized. So, yung garterized, ganito naman yung kanyang pendant. Okay? So, there. And yung ating ang tawag dyan, di ba nawala na naman ako. Yung ating adjustable. This is available in red strings. Okay? So, ito yung meron pong initial. Yung may initial. So, yung adjustable, meron siyang 5 color ng evil eye. Oo. So, and this is made with love. Oo naman, no? And, kasi para na rin tong customized. No, customized. Yung inyo lang talaga. Kayo lang ang pwedeng gumamit kasi merong initial. Okay? And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 bracelet. Yung ating ang tawag dyan, love and money bracelet. So, meron tong citrine. So, yan siya. Ang ganda nito sa personal. Ang ganda niyan sa personal. So, ganito siya. Okay? So, ganyan. So, meron siya mga citrine stone. So, citrine po is for money. Okay? For abundance. And this is like money magnet. Okay? Yung ating citrine. Oo. So, hindi lang love ang iyong mamamagnet, kundi pera rin. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa business mo, sa trabaho, kung ano man ang pinagkakakitaan mo, pwede. Okay? And kung lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Ganun lang. Hindi mo naman din kailangang isuot kung ayaw mo or kung hindi pwedeng isuot. Lagay mo sa red pouch. Okay? So, ibulsa mo kung pwedeng ibulsa. Ilagay mo sa bag mo. And then, isuot mo ulit after. Kung pwede na. Okay? So, and yung ating, samahan po ito ng evil eye protection. Okay? Ina-advise ko talaga. Kung meron kang available ng evil eye protection, gamitin mo sila ng sabay. And yung atin pong granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant. Okay? Taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Hindi siya yung magmamanifest for you. Okay? So, ang ibig ko sabihin, kasi kung meron siyang mga ina-provide sa inyo na hindi nyo minamanifest, is yun yung kanyang mga surprises. Kasi meron siyang weekly surprises na binibigay. Okay? Kahit hindi nyo hingiin, kahit hindi nyo ipagdasal, parang ganyan. Meron siyang handog sa'yo weekly. Okay? Mapamaliit man yan, malaki man. Okay? So, kung may darating man, weekly. Meron. Okay? And syempre, again, kailangan pong sabayan ng evil eye protection. Okay? Kailangan po, para rin sa inyo, evil eye protection, para doon sa minamanifest mo. Parang magagrant niya is buo. Walang basag, di ba? Walang kulang, buo. So, again, ang last natin is yung pangtanggal, MALAS. So, ganyan po siya. Ito yung sa front, ito yung sa back. May mga stones po yan, ha? Okay? Legit stones yung mga nandyan sa likod. So, ito yung magsisilbing harang. Okay? Doon po sa mga tatanggalin na nagbibigay ng kaalatan or MALAS. Okay? Kung meron mang papasok at magbibigay ng hindi magandang energy sa inyo, haharangin na nito. Pwede yan sa bahay, pwede sa business, pwedeng pang sarili, pwedeng isuot. Okay? Kung gusto nyong isuot. Yes. Pwede namang hindi kita, pwedeng nasa loob. Okay? And kung hindi nyo naman gustong isuot, pwede namang ilagay sa red or white pouch. Wala namang problem doon. So again, kung meron pong tanong, okay, again and again and again, lagi kong sasabihin, na-post ko na rin, na huwag kayo sa comment section magtatanong. Kaya siguro hindi nyo naririnig nga at lagi yun ang ginagawa kasi hindi nakikinig. Hindi nakikinig sa sinasabi. Oo, tas mamaya mag-chat-chat. Mag-chat-chat, madam, ganto, ganyan. Wala naman po tayo na pag-usapan. Ano pong hahanapin natin? Meron pong message sa akin, ganto, ganyan, nag-reply po sa comment. Ano magagawa natin? Di po ba? Kung dati pa lang sa comment, sa PM ka na nag-message, di ba? Edi hindi ka sana ma-scam. Okay? So, let's see. Yeah, mahaba ang intro kasi importante rin. Okay, importante rin. Kaya kailangan kong sabihin yung mga dapat para may mga maiwasan. No, wag kayong tamarin makinig. Okay? So, wag tayo masyadong atat sa reading. Okay? May magagalit pa. Ang tagal daw. Well, libre na nga lang. 'Di ba? Makikinig ka na nga lang. Pwede mo namang i-skip. 'Di ba? So, tayo ay mag-start na. Air signs, what's for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, what's for you? Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, Eight of Cups. Some of you, aalis ka. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka pupunta. Kung napaka-unusual ng paglabas, pwedeng yes, mangyayari. Pag-alis. Eight of Cups. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Oh. Ito some of you may mga nakaschedule na. I don't know if this is mangyayari ngayong weekend. Meron ako nakikitang hindi sasama. Biglaan, or I think may mag-message na something came up. Ay, hindi pala ako makakasama. Bigla. Mga ganon. I'm hearing an earth sign. I'm hearing an earth sign. Okay. Hindi ko na sinabing mga earth sign yung madalas mag-back out sa last minute. Okay. Oo, sa kada lakad. Di po ba? Oo. So, yeah, tungkol sa isang lakad na merong bigla ang hindi sasama, biglaan na magkakaroon ng dahilan. Some of you, I'm hearing resignation. Somebody will make a resignation letter. I don't know why. Could be the environment na meron pagdating sa pinagtatrabahuhan. Okay, the Six of Swords. Okay, and the Nine of Swords in reverse. Some of you, this is like an advice. Okay, an advice na maging secure or mag-isip ng sabihin nating hindi ko masabi na parang kailangan pangunahan. Okay? Parang maging handa. Yan, yun yung word. Maging handa para hindi na rin ma-stress after or eventually. Parang ganon. It's like, I don't know if this is talking about kaperahan ba. Okay? May energy rin dito ng ang sinasabi is Huwag nyo na masyadong palayuin hanggat maaari. Kung kaya mong bumalik ka na. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay, I don't know. The Ace of Cups Universe, the Five of Swords. I don't know if this is a new connection. It's like wag nyo nang palalimin pa kung alam nyong hindi pwede or kung may issue whatsoever para hindi kayo mahirapang bumalik. Parang ganyan. Some of you, sinasabihan ka na mag-ipon. Okay? Save for the rainy days. Ano sinasabi? Okay. There's this air sign na merong plano pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, or could be you. Could be you. Magkakaroon ka ng plano. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Pwedeng sa pera. Some of you, ikaw itong magkakaplano kung paano mo i-invest yung pera mo. Okay? This is, in general, planning for the future. Parang ganon. Could be connection or sa pera, mga ganyang bagay. May makikipag-ayos. I don't know kung anong meron. Chariot in reversed. Okay. And I'm hearing flat tire. Flat tire. Magdala ka ng spare tire if ever. Yeah. Lalo na kung masyadong malayo ang lalakbayin, I'm hearing flat tire. Okay? Para hindi hassle. Check your water, gas, brakes. Okay? Tires. Let's do this Chariot in reversed. I'm hearing reschedule. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. A risked pagdating sa isang paglalakbay, I think, or pag-uwi. Anyway, so mga specific kasi yung nakikita ko rito. Meron nang gustong makauwi eh. Some of you, kailangan mo magtipid. Talaga. Okay? May naririnig ako for the long run. I don't know kung ano yun. So, what else? Let's see. For fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, I have angel number for you. 1313. 1313. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fire signs. What is for our fire signs? Anong kailangan mo malaman? Fire signs. The Eight of Cups in reversed. May water sign dito na hindi pa nakaka-move on sa'yo. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. They still want you. They still like you. Some of you, there could be a fire sign or a water sign na hindi makagawa ng action towards you because they are afraid to be rejected, to get rejected. Yeah, the Queen of Swords, feeling intimidated, I think. Yeah. Who is this? Who is this? Sino tong hindi makagawa ng action towards you? The Nine of Pentacles in the first. Could be an earth sign. Scorpio is here. Some of you, yeah, they're single. They are single. I think some of you, meron kayong age gap, age differences, or gap pagdating sa status. Pwedeng tingin niya sa'yo, mas marami kang pera. Siya kaunti. Parang ganon, the status. Kaya yun yung parang nagiging hadlang or nagiging hindrance pagdating sa kanya para gumawa ng action sa'yo. Okay? So, let's see what else for fire signs. The Hermit in reverse. Virgo energy. The Hermit in reverse. Death. This is Scorpio. This is redirection. Redirecting. I'm hearing redirect. A redirect. A redirection. Yeah, the Empress. Meron ditong pupuntang doctor to make sure about someone's pregnancy or maybe your pregnancy. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong parang hindi mo alam kung ano nangyayari sa sarili mo. Like in general, you have to go to a doctor if this is medical issue. You don't need to watch tarot. Kung ikaw itong may nararamdaman sa iyong kalusugan, hindi, okay? Pero yeah, nakikita ko dito na some of you, kailangan mong magpa-check up. Fire signs, kailangan nyo magpa-check up. Okay? Don't self-diagnose. Okay, so what else? What else? There's changes coming. Changes in general. It's like hindi mo alam bakit may nangyaring ganito, may natatapos na ganyan, ganito. There could be, sabihin nating a sign na parang blessing in disguise. Para may ganong energy sa energy mo. Let's see. The Empress. Yeah, this is pregnancy. For some of you. The Empress, talking about progress, improvement, long term. Okay? So, what's with this? Some of you magkakaroon na ng parang stabilize. Oh, stabilize. Pagdating sa health. Okay? What's with this Empress? The Four of Pentacles. Somebody, or pwedeng ikaw itong mag-iipon para sa sarili mo. May pag-iipunan ka para sa sarili. Strength. Pwedeng ikaw itong mag-invest pagdating sa fitness. Okay, lifestyle, being healthy, I guess. Some of you. Para maging strong, maging productive. Being productive, I'm hearing. Yeah, the Emperor. Oh, Judgment. Oh, I'm hearing the word sabihin natin you're yin, you're the yin for a yang. Ano yun? Yin yang. Oo, parang may ganun akong narinig. Divine counterpart. Fire signs, a divine counterpart. Ginawa ko kanina si pangalan nito. Si Cancer or Cancer nga ba? Leo and Virgo. Kanina ginawa ko si Leo and si Virgo pagdating sa general and sa person on your mind. Nakuha ko tong energy na to. So maybe Leo, watch out. Oo. Tingnan mo rin yung video natin about maybe your ang tawag dyan, zodiac. Maybe hindi ko kasi tanda kung kay Leo or kay Cancer. Okay, Cancer. Kay Virgo. I'm confused. Oh my gosh. So, I'm getting this kind of energy na pwedeng this month. Okay? Number 4 could be significant. May chance ng sabihin nating strong connection na papasok. And I'm hearing marriage. I don't know kung may chance ng marriage, pero this is a strong, so strong connection. This is your divine counterpart. Entering. Some of you could be stuck pa rin from a past person, kaya hindi makaka-enter to. Okay, you have to release the burden. Release. Okay, so next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What is for our water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. O habang kayo nakikinig at nanonood ng aking pagsha-shuffle, o diba? Like muna. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What is for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe. The Queen of Cups in reversed. The Queen of Swords in the reversed. Somebody is afraid or galit. Ten of Swords. Now na-reject. I'm hearing somebody get rejected. May na-reject dito at nagagalit siya. I don't know kung ikaw itong nang-reject. Water signs. They feel like rejected by you. They feel like you betrayed them. Yeah, the Six of Cups. I think yung person, nakitaan ka ng, sabihin nating magandang samahan or magkakaroon kayo ng magandang pagsasama, pero I don't know kung may nangyaring ending dito or backstab. They're angry, they're mad sa ginawa mo or sa ginawa niya. Could be this, this could be you. Nagalit. Yeah, the High Priestess in reversed. This is like akala. They love you. They love you. Like they trust you with all their heart. Like, yeah. Pero they felt betrayed. Sino to? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. May iniwan ka ba? May tinalikuran ka? Galit na galit tong taong to. Water signs. Sa mga nakaka-resonate dyan, they are mad, angry. Feeling nila talagang niloko mo sila. Ayun ang feeling nila, ha. Why? Because they truly, 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 deeply love you. Tapos ganun daw yung ginawa mo. Okay, enough with the, ay hindi po ako yon, ay hindi ko naman po ginawa yon. Okay, meaning that's not your read. Okay, that's not your energy. Ha? Okay, ganun lang kasimple. Oo. So, what else? The Emperor in reversed. The Fool. So I'm hearing failure here. Why? Even though there's that Emperor, nagpakita yung Emperor dito, may Fool, I'm hearing failure. Why? This is like over-planning. Over-planned. Yeah, the King of Swords. Over-planning. Ten of Pentacles. Maganda sana to kung ina-action na. Okay, sobra sa plano. pero kulang sa action, kulang sa execution. Why with the Emperor in reversed? Why? The Six of Wands. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Doubts whatsoever. What if? Yun. The Six of Wands. Baka mamaya ganito. Ay baka mamaya kasi mas magaling sila. Ay baka mamaya ganito sabihin ng ibang tao. Ay baka mamaya mainggit sila, ganito, ganyan. Wag natin gawin to, baka kasi magalit sila. Enough with that BS. Okay, enough with that. Yeah, the moon is here. This is negativities. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Kung gusto mo mag-survive, yeah, sabi nga, this is like the survival of the fittest. No? The survival of the fittest. So, kung gusto mo mag-survive, gumawa ka. Pwede tayong mag-failed kaka-plano. Wala namang perfect na plan. Wala namang perfect na strategy. Okay? Makikita mo lang yung susunod mong gagawin kung in-execute mo na Okay? Doon mo lang malalaman yung susunod mong move kung nakapag-execute ka. Tandaan nyo, walang mangyayari kung plano ka ng plano. Hanggang dumating na sa taon, plano ka pa rin ng plano, hindi rin magandang tingnan. Sa totoo lang, di po ba? Ano mangyayari sa plano kung hindi naman ginagawa naman talaga? Failure. Ang daming kinds, ang daming sample ng failure. Okay? Anyway. So, what else for water signs? Water signs. Temperance in reverse. Somebody is too eager, being impatient. Could be a Sagittarius. Why? Are you trying to avoid them? You're trying to avoid conversation with them. There's this somebody who is so eager to talk with you. They want this. They want this. New beginning could be. Or I don't know if there's somebody na pwedeng bago. Atat na to. Oo, sabi nga, atat na atat. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. He doesn't want the tension. Doesn't want any kind of tension. They want communication. Okay, they want communication. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune is here. Pagulungin. Oo, pagalawin ang baso. Next, earth signs. Hi, earth signs. So, hi, Lucky. So, diba? So si Lucky. Siya si Lucky. Anyway, so let's see what's for you, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. For our earth signs. Okay, the Five of Swords in reversed. Okay, anong meron dyan? The Queen of Pentacles. A help. Unexpected help. What's with this Five of Swords in reversed? The Queen of Cups in reversed. I'm getting another energy here. Earth signs. Huwag nyo hayaan na ma-take advantage kayo or i-take advantage kayo na kung sino mang air or water to. Okay? Some of you, your intuition is telling you kung anong meron doon sa person. Here they are. Again, this is selfishness. May mga pangsariling rason itong taong to kung bakit yan nandyan. I don't know kung ano tinutukoy nito. Pero some of you, your intuition is telling you about that person connecting with you. I don't know if this is romantic, casual, platonic. I don't know. Pero you have this in your mind na they just need something from you. Okay, be careful. Some of you, you're in a same gender connection. What else? The Nine of Wands, the Lovers. Some of you, you've been guarded all your life. Oo. Pagdating sa lahat ng connection na gustong umenter. The King of Cups. There's somebody who wants na kumonek sa'yo emotionally, but you're guarded. Pagdating sa love, you're rejecting. The Justice in Reverse, I don't know kung ikaw itong apektado pa rin ng kung ano-ano mang naging connection mo before. You have to heal. Okay? I'm hearing trust issues. The trust issues. Pero I'm hearing one last chance. There's this one last chance. So I think magkakaroon ka ng huling-huli ng pagkakataon kung merong nakikipag-ayos, may nakikipagbalikan, or somebody na pwedeng tingin mo hindi mo na mapapagkatiwalaan. I'm seeing some of you na pwedeng bibigyan mo pa rin ng isang pagkakataon tong sino man to. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. So maybe magkakaroon ka ng limit or boundaries, or maybe ikaw itong gagawa ng healthy boundaries from that person, or you must. Okay? You must set up healthy boundaries from this person wanting to reunite. Could be a Gemini or fire sign. Anyway, this could be any sign. Okay? So, don't get too hung up pagdating sa mga zodiac sign na binabanggit. Anyway, so what else for earth signs? Oops, the Ten of Swords. This is talking about endings. I'm having back pain. Who's having back pain? Back pain. Sana hindi backstab. Sumasakit na ba yung likod mo kaka-backstab ng mga kasamahan mo? Let's see what's with this Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords. The Page of Swords. There could be somebody na nagkaroon kayo ng endings with, they're stalking you. Yeah, this is a past person. They are stalking you heavily. The Nine of Swords. They're crying, thinking of you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Bakit kanya ini-stalk? Bakit kanya pinapanood pa rin, or tinitingnan, or hinahanap? Okay? Yeah, they're looking for you. I don't know why. Somebody na pwedeng binackstab ka. Why are they looking for you? The Hierophant in reversed. Yeah, there's the issue, I think. Sa part nila. Sa part nila. The Five of Cups. Tinitingnan ng taong to kung talaga bang ikaw ba ay nakalimot na, or may chance pa ba ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Ito makikita lang ito ng kahit gasiwang sa pinto. Papasukin niya to. Yeah. Pagkakataon. The King of Wands reversed. I don't trust this person. I don't trust them. Okay, I don't trust them. Yeah, the Knight of Cups in reverse, the Three of Cups. They want reconciliation, pero I think some of them, they still have options. Okay, some of them. Pwedeng tong taong to niloko ka eh. Kaya hindi ka pa rin siguro maging okay. May mga hinihil ka pa rin up to now. Then, yeah, I don't trust this person. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, codependent. Could be they're just after your money. The benefits could be. Okay? They just want, they can, sabihin natin, ang mga offer lang nila is communication, not commitments. They're not open or available when it comes to commitments. Yeah, they're just like, parang ganon. Anyway, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na love letter na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.